How to submit medical claim authorization form via HealthHub. Medical claim authorization form allows one-time authorization for a given patient's treatment charges incurred at any participating medical institutions for an unlimited period until revoked subsequently. Do note that if you are using your MediSave account for a family member, you must use the medical claim authorization single form. Let's begin. First, go to the HealthHub website. Log in using your SingPass. Under Personal Health, you should be able to find Financial Consents. Click the Financial Consents. If you have not signed your multiple MediSave form before, as shown in yellow, select Give Consent. Please check that your particulars are correct before agreeing with the terms and conditions. The effective date of authorization should be the date of your visit to the hospital. If you have visited the hospital earlier, you may change the date to your visit date. Once you complete, you may select Submit, and a message will prompt to confirm. Click Yes to continue. And now you've successfully authorized the use of your MediSave. Thank you for watching.